Do you have a sweet tooth? Are you eating sweets which are damaging your health? Or are you completely avoiding them? What if I tell you that you can eat sweets guilt-free no matter what your fitness goal is? Yes, in this video I'm going to share with you 7 healthy dessert ideas. Yes, they are healthy and you will know why. While selecting the dessert ideas, my top priority has been least time required for cooking, easy to make and least amount of ingredients. So stay tuned. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. It is a very common misconception that if you are on a fitness journey, you should stay away from sweets. Sweets can be consumed no matter what your fitness goal is. Especially in summers, according to Ayurveda, it is highly recommended to indulge in sweet taste as it keeps the body cool. And if you have been following me on Instagram, you would know how big of a sweet tooth I have. So it is always about the art of making healthy sweets. So let me share with you my top 7 healthy desserts which almost anyone can make using minimum hassle and still stay strong on their fitness journey. Starting with number 7 is kada. If you have been to a gurdwara, then you would know that the prasad served there is mostly kada, which is aate ka halwa. This authentic Punjabi dish is one of my all-time favorites. Let's check out its recipe. Put a pan on low heat and take 1/4 cup of ghee. Meanwhile, on another stove, take about 3/4 cups of water and 1/4 cup of jaggery powder. Keep it on a low flame. On the other side, once the ghee gets hot, pour about 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour. Stir it gently and keep cooking it on a low flame until it changes into brown color and a nice aroma wafts from the pan. By this time, the water on the other side would have got hot and the jaggery powder properly mixed in it. Now add the jaggery powder slowly and keep stirring it to avoid the formation of any lumps. Keep mixing it well, and in just a few minutes, ghee will start to come out of the sides. This is a good indication to know that our aate ka halwa is ready to be served. You can top it up with a few almonds or have it as it is. It is probably one of the best sweets you will ever eat. It just melts in your mouth, super healthy with a taste that lingers on your tongue for long. Do try it. On number 6 is gajar ka halwa. One of the most popular Indian desserts, gajar ka halwa is always a delight to eat. And it is so easy to make. Let's check out its quick recipe. Take 2 medium-sized carrots and grate them. Now in a pan, put a teaspoon of ghee. Let it get warm. Now add a crushed cardamom and a few crushed cashews. Saute them for a while. Now add the grated carrots. Saute them too until they get a bit soft. Now add about 1 glass of milk. Give it a good mix. Just cover the pan and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, you can just relax a bit. Now go check it, it should be almost done. Finally add jaggery powder and give it a good mix. That's all. Turn off the gas and your healthy gajar ka halwa is ready to be served. The amazing combination of ghee and milk acts like a coolant for the body. Carrots, we all know how nutrient dense they are. And what's most important is that instead of using chemically refined sugar which has no nutrition whatsoever, we have used traditional shakkar which is sweet yet filled with many nutrients. Do try this recipe. I love it and I hope you like it too. On number 5 is walnut delight. If you are someone who likes digging into some cool icy desserts, then you will love this one. It is probably the easiest to make. All you need to do is take 1 cup of beaten curd. Mix 8 halves of crushed walnuts and 4 de-seeded chopped dates into it and top it with 1 tablespoon of honey. Chill it for a few hours and it's ready to be jumped into. With omega-3 from walnuts, protein from curd and carbohydrates from dates, it is not only tasty but a very healthy dessert option. Try it out this summer. Number 4 is sweet potato halwa. This is one sweet which I came to know after coming to Andhra Pradesh. It is very tasty and involves just 2 ingredients, the sweet potatoes and jaggery. Let's check out the quick recipe. Simply keep about 50 grams of sweet potato on flame for boiling. Meanwhile, take a few crushed pieces of jaggery and with a little water heat it to form a jaggery syrup. Once the sweet potatoes are boiled, mash them with a spoon to make a halwa-like consistency. If you so wish, you can top it up with a teaspoon of ghee. Sweet potatoes being one of the best sources of complex carbohydrates, you can actually have it as a breakfast. It will be a sweet kickstart for the day. I make it often, it's really worth a try. Number 3, kheer. Who doesn't like kheer? It is probably the most popular sweet dish in India. A lot of childhood memories have been attached with this amazing dish, isn't it? Let us make kheer with a healthy twist. Take about 500 ml of milk. Add about 1/4 cup of soaked semi-brown rice. Let the flame be on low. Keep stirring it occasionally. The main purpose is to not let the milk stick to the bottom of the pan. Put a few saffron threads, although it's completely optional, but it gives a really good color and flavor. Keep stirring it occasionally. Slowly the milk will get reduced and the starch from the rice will bind with the fat from the milk. That's when you know that your kheer is almost done. This is the time to add the sweetener. Here I am adding desi khand. You can go ahead with jaggery powder as well. Crush 1 cardamom and add its powder. This is also the time to put crushed dry fruits. Mix all the ingredients properly. Turn off the flame and it's ready to be served. Kheer is eaten both hot and chilled. It doesn't matter how you prefer eating it, kheer has a taste that you will never forget. Try it out. Sometimes I just skip the dinner and eat kheer instead. You can do that too. Number 2, Hostler's Delight. If you are living in a hostel PG and you crave for sweets, then this one is for you. Simply take 1 chapati, put a tablespoon of ghee over it, add 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder over it, roll it and have it. The traditional Punjabi churi recipe is also another version of it. When you feel like having a sweet dish but don't have the zeal to make it, this is how we do it. Likewise, ghee and shakkar can also be mixed with rice. I have tried the same combination with idli and dosa as well. It just tastes amazing every time. And how easy it is. Whole wheat roti, desi cow ghee and jaggery powder. That's all. A healthy sweet dish on the go. Now before I reveal my top pick, I would suggest you to never miss out on fruits, as they are naturally sweet and loaded with vitamins and minerals. Especially in summer season, watermelon, muskmelon and other juicy fruits could be a part of your daily diet. Coming back, my top pick for the list is coconut laddu. Dessert recipes are incomplete without the mention of laddus. Let me share with you coconut laddu recipe, a pure delight to eat. Take 1 coconut and grate it. Now put a pan over low flame. Add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut into it. To this we will add coconut sugar syrup made using 1/4 cup of coconut sugar and half cup of water, just like we did in atta halwa recipe. Keep stirring the mixture until the water gets evaporated and we are left with a thick consistency. This will also help us bind the laddus well. That's all. Now it looks almost done. Let it cool a bit. After about 5 minutes, laddus are ready to be made. I would suggest you to make small size laddus as it will help you keep your sweet intake in check. Although these are amazingly tasty and it's hard to resist to just one. But don't worry, homemade with all healthy ingredients, you can surely enjoy them guilt-free. So these were some of my favorite practical and healthy dessert options. Which one of these did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. This summer, do not shy away from indulging into these sweets, even if your goal is to shed a few kilos. Because fat loss diet does not mean complete boycott of sweets. You just need to know the limit. And using healthier alternatives to refined sugar is the real art of making healthy desserts. All the healthy sugar alternatives are linked down in the description box. Do try them, take a picture and post it on your Instagram story. Don't forget to tag me, I'll share it further. So friends, that's all for this video. Did you find it to be helpful? If yes, then please show me your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. What next would you like to see on this channel? Please comment your ideas below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.